I'll hold him down a little bit.
No.
Yeah, it's like serrated edge, little fucking knife right there. That's what
Yeah, the fish ain't getting away.
Ouch.
Who knew?
Poke me. What's what happened?
Spurred, you're almost done.
Bird be freaking out when you let him go. What the hell just happened?
Was he flipping out over there?
Yeah, he was flipping and flopping and you can live with a hairy beak.
He got a bobo on his neck from all that flipping and flopping. Nothing big. Nothing too bad though.
Alright, how we doing there, Jimmy?
Okay, razor, okay, razor
you?
teeth.
Yeah, you a little hairier.
Watch out, dogs.
No.
He ain't flying as good as he was before, but
It wore out.
yeah. What'd he do? Just back in the water, carrying on, huh?